Hey guys, it's Dr. Rob Bowling with Southeastern Plastic Surgery. I want to just put this little video out, just talk about some things that I've seen over the last few months. So, getting a lot of patients in for consultation for various things from breast augmentation, implant exchanges, tummy tucks, facelift, eyelid lifts, just your normal gamut of plastic surgery procedures. And a lot of these have been for consults and with other physicians in Alabama, and even had a few from Florida and over in Georgia. And I have been just shocked at some of the outrageous quotes that these patients have been given that I think is not even fair for what I would call, even some of them, straightforward and simple procedures. So I understand inflation has happened and prices have gone up on everything, but you know what I've been experiencing from my own patients coming in is rather shocking to me. What people are charging for plastic surgery. You know, in my core, I became a doctor to help people. Became a plastic surgeon second because I like this line of work, so to speak. But my goal as a doctor is first to help you with whatever things that may be. That could be you've got neck, shoulder, back pain, and you got large breasts and you need a breast reduction. It could be you've been in an accident and you're in the emergency room and you need your face repaired from just traumatic injuries. It could also be the woman that's lost her breast from breast cancer and you need something to make you feel like a woman again. Then it also is the things that people may sometimes think is trivial, but helps your confidence. And you've had a few babies and you don't like the way your body or your breasts look, or you've lost a lot of weight, especially with all the people on the GLP-1s, and I'm seeing a lot of those patients right now. And so you just don't like the effects of the weight loss. Not that you're not happy with the weight loss, but just how your body looks now. And then the same thing with facial aging and people wanting a facelift or eyelid lift, and just things to turn back the clock. One thing that I've always felt as a plastic surgeon is it should be affordable. I'm from small town Alabama. I grew up in rural Alabama, and people didn't have a lot of money. And when I went into medicine, it was to help more than to, quote, make a lot of money. So I always felt that as a plastic surgeon, it still should be affordable. Obviously, it's money out of your pocket, and you're paying somebody that you trust to do it. So not only should I provide the best possible care, but I think I should make it affordable too. That's what I would want for my family. I would never want somebody to, what I say, take advantage. And I feel like some prices I've been seeing that people are being taken advantage of. With this being said, you know, people think you have inexpensive or less expensive plastic surgery, that the surgery is going to be not as good as the person charging, you know, twice as much. With that being said, I put my results up against any surgeon charging twice, 3 times as much. I take such pride in everything I do when it comes to taking care of patients, and that's just what I want to do for people. I would want to be treated the same way. I would want my wife, my mom, my sister treated the same way if they had surgery somewhere. Another thing I'm not going to do is I'm never going to upsell surgery. If you come in here, I'll tell you what you need based upon the things you tell me that you don't like, but I'm never going to talk you into unnecessary procedures. You know, you come in and you just want to talk about your eyes. I can tell you things that may make your face better, but I'm not going to tell you if you need your eyes done that you need your face, your forehead, your neck, and all these other things done. You know, if you come in and you want your breast talked about and I'm trying to talk you into a tummy tuck. I always thought of plastic surgeons, and a lot of times I think get a bad rap because many just want to sell you surgery, and it's almost sometimes even it's like going to a used car dealership and they want to show you the latest and greatest and I want you to buy this and add this on. I've never been that way. I just listen to you, try to figure out what is best for you based upon what we talk about. So just wanted to get on here and make this video about just some of the prices I'm seeing that I've really been shocked about. With that being said, here at Southeastern Plastic Surgery again, we're a small practice. We pride ourselves in having a small town family-like atmosphere to show that we care and provide good service and have excellent results. With that being said, please give us a call. We offer in-person consultations, obviously, virtual consultations, and we also will answer any questions over the phone. My staff's been doing this for years, so they can answer any, plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery questions you might have. They're always happy to talk to you. If you've been to another surgeon and just have questions about the quote, and we'll answer any question. Again, just here to provide good quality care, and at prices it's not going to break the bank either. But I still think you can get excellent surgery without paying outrageous prices. So thanks for watching this video, and give us a call.